Imagine 4,000 ships ready to conquer Japan. Then something unbelievable happens. It is the year 1281. The Mongols launch their second invasion. Tens of thousands of soldiers sail across the sea. They think nothing can stop them, but a massive typhoon strikes. Waves crash, winds roar, ships are smashed, soldiers drown. The invasion fails. The Japanese call it kamikaze. The divine wind. Nature itself saves the nation. Even the strongest army can be powerless. And the craziest part, no swords, no strategy, no spy missions, just a storm decided history.